Hey everyone, I'm Xuhmbuddy and today we are here at Apag Marangle, a Kapampangan restaurant here in Guagua, Pampanga. And right behind me awaits a feast that doesn't only involve one person. We're going to have a boodle fight.
A boodle fight is a traditional Filipino style of eating that involves a communal meal where food is served on long tables and everyone eats together using their hands. The meal promotes unity and camaraderie, with participants sharing food in a lively, informal setting. The food is typically spread out on banana leaves, but here's the twist. At this restaurant, they've taken this Filipino tradition to the next level. Instead of gathering around a giant table,
So we're going to have a boodle fight in a basket.
yes, you heard that right. Each basket is packed with an assortment of flavor-packed rice, grilled meats, fresh seafood, crunchy vegetables, and what else do we got here? Yes, we also got dessert. It's like a beautiful, colorful mosaic of everything you crave, all wrapped up in one amazing presentation.
Boom! So here we are inside the kitchen and then we're gonna show us how to make or how to assemble the boodle fight. So let's go meet the chef. Chef Billy today is gonna show us how they prepare the boodle fight or how they cook the boodle fight for us.
At the heart of any boodle fight, we start with the rice. Our chef begins by sauteing garlic and onion, filling the air with a rich, savory aroma. But the secret ingredient here is crab fat, aligue, which adds a deep, umami flavor that takes the rice to a whole new level. With the rice ready, it's time to add the stars of the show, the meats and seafood. The chef begins by boiling some shrimp. Next, we bring in the fish, chicken, and pork belly, grilled to perfection over an open flame.
Oh wow, our chicken is already ready.
And what's a boodle fight without a little extra sizzle? Enter sisig, a Filipino favorite that's always a crowd pleaser. And here's something
that is
truly
the
unique.
cricket.
Kamaru.
Small cricket, I
These
think.
crunchy little critters, also known as Filipino crickets, are sauteed with garlic, onions, and tomatoes, offering a flavor like no other.
My name is Matthew.
Yeah, hi Matthew, I'm Cherry.
You're the owner here, right?
Yes.
Nice to meet you, ma'am.
Nice meeting you. How
So,
are you?
So, ma'am, I want to ask something. So, where did the concept of putting a boodle fight in a basket came from?
Okay. It started during pandemic.
During pandemic?
Yeah, because during pandemic, people were not allowed to go out,
Oh, yeah,
right?
yeah.
So why deprive them of eating good food?
Mhm.
So we thought of a plan of making boodle fight in a basket because it's easily delivered.
Uh-huh.
So through mga riders lang, it can be delivered, tawag ka
Oh,
lang for
yeah.
order like that.
That's right.
We did that up to hanggang sa Manila. During pandemic, nagput up kami ng cloud kitchen. So nakaka-order sila ng
So,
boodle
people
fight.
really wanted to have a boodle fight during the
Yeah,
pandemic.
yeah. Kasi you would miss eating out and eating with family,
Yeah.
di ba? Pero yun nga, so we thought of why not making it possible for them to still enjoy good food and have boodle fight, but within the house lang.
Yeah.
Kasi it's still safe.
And it's easier
di
to
ba?
transport inside the basket.
Yes, because
That's
in a
why.
basket. And since marami rin namang nagkagusto nun, kinontinue na namin, even here in the restaurant, we serve the boodle fight. Kaya lang you have to order at least an hour or 2 hours before kasi so we can set it
Oh,
out.
it's amazing.
Yes.
Wow, you can see the restaurant is actually just beside the creek. The kitchen is just located beside the creek down there. Wow. What a fascinating restaurant. And then here inside the restaurant, Chef Billy right now is preparing the boodle fight for us. And he is now blanching and sauteing some of the ingredients. And then let's see the assembly of the boodle fight. Something.
Somebody's hungry.
Right here, now we have the boodle fight in a basket. So, yeah, this is usually for takeout only, but you can also request them to serve your boodle fight inside this basket. Isn't it amazing? Whoa, this weighs a lot. So here is our boodle fight. So here we got some Filipino chicken barbecue, and here we got sisig, salted egg, or the itlog maalat. We got some tomatoes, and here we got the mole crickets. So stay tuned for this video. I'm gonna try this mole cricket in the middle part of this video. Yeah. And here we got some pork belly or grilled pork liempo, and then we got some vegetables. Got onion, tomato, eggplant, kangkong, or the water. Call this. It's water something. And then we also got dessert. This is actually called maruya, or I think this is plantains in pancake. So this is sweet. And then here we got some grilled fish, grilled tilapia, and then some boiled prawns. So so that is our boodle fight. Let's start with the inihaw na manok. Let's start with that. So, wow. So this is the thigh part of chicken. Smells pretty nice. Oh, and with some rice, of course. It's a boodle fight, so we eat with our hands. And let's try this rice. This rice is actually rice sauteed in crab fat. Wow, you can taste the oiliness and some of the crab head juice or the crab fat. Wow, I like this. I like this rice. And then we also got some sizzling here. So we have the usual Kapampangan sisig. Let's try the sisig. Sisig here is a little bit different. It's a bit on the milder side, but yeah, it's still pretty good. And yeah, the rice brings. I think the rice brings the dish here together, especially the rice in crab fat. You got the savoriness, the umaminess, and the distinct taste of the crab fat inside the rice. Wow. Next one, let's try the liempo. This is the Filipino grilled pork belly. So give it a shot. Prepare some rice. I like the pork belly, and just dip it in some of the sauce here. I think this is the calamansi juice. Oh wow. And of course, it isn't a boodle fight without some vegetables. So here we got, I think this is some tomato and onion salad in bagoong, and then let's pair it with the watercress, I think. So yeah. Oh, so it's pretty juicy and succulent meat, tilapia fish. Remove the bones. Oh, let's dip this inside some vinegar. Wow, tender. Oh, the lip just fell off from the tree above me. Wow, tender, succulent, and really juicy tilapia fish. Wow. And let's have another bite of this chicken barbecue. Let's dip it in some of in the sauce. I think this is barbecue sauce. Oh wow. Kanyaman kanina. Let's also try some of the prawns. So you see the chef boiling some of the prawns a while ago, and then the prawn head. You got to suck the juice out of the prawn head. Wow. Chase it with some rice. Some juicy succulent prawn. I think I'm gonna dip this inside the suka or the vinegar. And then some crab rice. Good thing I'm having this boodle fight by myself, or else I'm gonna literally fight with someone right now for this delicious meal. Wow. Here we also got some eggplant. So this is some grilled eggplant. So let's tear it apart, tear the eggplant apart. And then the waiter told me a while ago that I dip this eggplant inside the burro or the vegetables inside the burro. So let's get some of the vegetables and the eggplant, and then let's dip it inside the burro or the fermented rice. Kapampangan is a Kapampangan dish. You tried this before, and then let's try it again. Interesting. The burro they got here is submerged in oil. I think it's garlic oil, because you can taste much of the garlic flavor in it. Wow. Let's take another bite. Take some vegetables. Get it into the burro. Oh, you can see the oil dripping. Take a bite again. Oh, this one's better than the one I tried before. This one's not that fermented, so it is not that funky. Yet it is subtle and well, it's pretty good, very delicious. I like this. So let's get a piece of the tomato and then the salted egg. And usually this one is ate with some meat. So let's grab a piece of the grilled dempo here, and let's dip it inside some vinegar. So let's take this bite. This is like a sandwich of meat and some tomato. So let's give it a bite. Wow. Perfectly balanced pork and tomato and the salted egg. And now it's time that we try this Kapampangan mole cricket, or known as the kamaru. So a while ago, they sauteed this in onion, some onion, garlic, and I think some ginger. So let's try this mole cricket. Wow. It looks, if you think on the bright side, it looks a little bit like ground meat. But you can see some of the legs of the cricket right there. So let's try kamaru. Let's get some pieces of kamaru. Then let's just take a bite on it. Oh yeah, let's put it in our mouth. What? Wait, let me take another bite. I haven't tasted that. Wait, let's take a huge bite. What? It's like I'm eating some shell of the prawn. Yeah, tastes just like that. It tastes just like the shell of the shrimp. Very interesting. Wow, it's also pretty good. Not kidding. Wow, I think this is pretty good with some. Let's dip it in some calamansi. Oh, wow. Surprisingly, I like this one. And now, let's try some dessert. This is the plantain, and then they put it inside the butter, and then they pan fry it. So let's try this one. Oh yeah, it is plantain. And it's a little bit sweet, a bit fragrant from the crispy butter. Well, it's a pretty good dessert after the meal. We also got a cat here. So I don't have anyone to share this food with. I'm gonna share this with the cat. Wow. I think it's a Siamese cat. So if you're wondering what is this is why they have a mini fan over here. This is just to keep the flies, some of the flies away. So yeah, pretty cozy, pretty calm restaurant. Oh, and design, wow. It feels like I'm eating inside some sort of a magical forest. Kaku ka, kay kaku. I'm gonna leave the meaning inside the comment down below. Wow. So this Boodle Fight is usually for sharing, and it is not to eat by your own. But yeah, but here today there's only two of us, so those are pretty good. Amazing restaurant, amazing find. Really I think I can call this I know people don't like this word, but I can call this a hidden gem. Yeah, people don't like the word hidden gem anymore because for really hidden gem, people use it more and more. People use it too much that it isn't special anymore. But yeah, this one I can call this a not hidden gem. I call this a legendary Kapampangan restaurant. Oh, that sounds better, right? Yeah, because they serve legendary. Look at this Boodle Fight. Well, I've been searching Boodle Fight anywhere here in Pampanga, and then this is the only place that I could find that serves Boodle Fight. And then usually if you're gonna have Boodle Fight here, you can lay it on the table. And then this basket is usually only for takeout. But if you request them for it, they can also make it for you. So yeah, very nice. And so this is the bill of our what we ate, the Boodle Fight. The Boodle Fight costs 3,000 pesos. And then we have some additional like the sisig and the mole crickets. So the mole crickets cost 225 and then the sisig is 355. So that ends up with 4,000 pesos plus service charge. Really nice experience here at Apag Marangle. Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
May I ask, because I'm wondering a while ago, what does Apag Marangle mean?
Okay. Apag means serve.
Apag
To serve. Like hapag, kainan. Di ba? O, kain na tayo. O, nandiyan, nakahapag na. Naka-ready na yung food. Means is hapag. Marangle is farm. Yeah, served in the farm.
Oh, and then I also like the design of the restaurant.
Thank you.
Really nice.
Thank you.
May vibe siya na parang pagka nasa
Labas ka.
parang nasa something like farm na resort, parang ganon.
Salamat. And I would like to invite you to also visit our Cusina Manuela Cafe and Bakery.
Where's that, ma'am?
Here, just across.
That's across the...
There's also.
Oh.
So after having lunch or dinner, you can go here at our cafe. Here.
Oh, so we also got a cafe just right across the restaurant.
Cusina Manuela Cafe.
Oh, wow.
We have a great view.
So really a nice view right there.
And we're serving chocolating baterol and coffee, of course. And also we have our empanadas. Yeah, our empanadas are unique because yung palaman nila is Kapampangan pa rin na pagkain. Like for example, sisig empanada. Yeah, we have sisig empanada.
I haven't heard of sisig empanada before.
Humba empanada. We have pisto. Pisto is a Kapampangan breakfast. It's an egg dish. We have chicken. And here is the cafe. Pwede silang mag-chill dito. We have a lot of outlets all over for those who'd like to work or study. So, sa kabila, you have the full menu for authentic Kapampangan cuisine.
Right here, we got some
Ito naman yan, modernized.
We have a modernized cafe here. So,
Yes.
after you had dined in across the street, the Apag Marangle, you can have some snacks here at Cusina Manuela, right?
Cusina Manuela, coffee or chocolating baterol. The chocolating baterol that we serve here is our own blend. So we make it from scratch. From cacao to the grinding and packaging.
Wow, this is an unexpected food adventure. I didn't know that they also own this cafe right across Apag Marangle. So let's see if it's really good or not. So So here we got the chocolate butter roll. This one is ice. They got ice butter roll. Never tried ice butter roll. Usually it's hot. So give this a mix. Let's give it a shot. Let's give it a try. The ice butter roll in Cusina Manuela. Wow. Very rich. You can taste the richness from the, I don't know what, some cacao, some type of nut. I'm not sure what kind of nut they include in here. You can see from the jar a while ago that we viewed the butter roll jar. Yeah, you can see the ingredients there. That they get some chocolate, some, I think it's cashew, if I'm not wrong. Here we got the empanada of Cusina Manuela. And then it's piping hot. I think it's freshly reheated or fried. So let's open the empanada up. Wow. So what we got here is the sisig empanada. You can hear from the crispiness of the pastry outside, and then it's pretty soft inside. Oh, smells really buttery. Oh, wait, I'm gonna wait a little while. It's very hot. Whoa, wow! You can see empanada is crispy and golden brown. The crust, you can hear the crispiness from the crust. Can you hear it from there? Yeah, because I can definitely hear it. And wow, this looks like a really proper empanada, except that its filling is sisig. Never heard of sisig inside an empanada. So let's give it a shot. Whoa. The butteriness from the pastry, plus the fattiness and the oiliness from the sisig. Wow. This one is a really rich pastry or afternoon snack. So yeah, really nice. Let's go. So again, this is the Apag Marangle restaurant. Just right here. And then across the restaurant, here is the cafe that they own, the Cusina Manuela. So a perk of having your food inside the basket is that if you didn't finish the food, you can just take this whole basket home. So this is already your takeout box for the boodle fight or the food. So let's go. Oh wait, I'm gonna spill the food. So before we end this video, I want to show you guys this place here in Pampanga. The name of this place is Pampanga Pottery. So this ends our video for today. Don't forget to subscribe on my channel, and I see you on the next food adventure.